Hey guys, let me show you a nice and easy dish that you can make straight from the comfort of your own kitchen without having to go into expensive restaurants. Using ramen noodles and New York strip steak. I got this piece of New York strip steak from Walmart and I just clean it up and season it simply with salt and black pepper. And I massage my season into my meat and I make sure the seasoning coat all the sides. So for the bowl of fireball ramen, we're going to open that up and take out the 2 packs of seasoning that comes in there. In a separate bowl, we add a tablespoon of mayo and grate 1 clove of garlic. Add back those 2 seasonings in there. Now we're gonna add egg yolk. Now we use a spoon to mix that in nicely to create a nice paste. Now we're gonna boil our ramen noodles in a pot with about 3 cups of water. In a separate pot, we're gonna boil 2 eggs because we want this to be a part of our presentation. And now we take some of the water from our ramen noodles and mix that around in our paste. This is gonna be our soup. Remove the eggs, cool them down. Then we're going to sear our steak on each side, and we're using oil, not butter, to sear our steak. We're going to sear it on each side for about 6 minutes and baste it with some garlic and thyme. Let's peel our eggs. And once our steak is cooked, we're going to take it off and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. In the same pan that we cooked our steak, we're going to saute some enoki mushrooms. We add some soy sauce and flip it around. Now we're slicing up our steak against the grain. And this was done medium well, just the way I like it. We add our ramen noodles to our bowl of soup. We add our steak, we add our eggs, and add our enoki mushrooms. Garnish with some chopped parsley. And just like that, you have a restaurant quality meal at home, cooked to perfection. I want you to challenge yourself and try making this dish at home. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next video.